So I get asked all the time, and I'm sure you do too, do these charge all electric vehicles? Are they all the same?
Very good question, and we get asked that very frequently.
So we already looked at this.
Yeah, we compared this.
That those are identical, but what about a Tesla?
Well, here's the thing. These J1772 connectors will work with any electric vehicle manufactured in North America except Tesla. But Elon Musk is a smart guy. He figured that out. Here's the adapter. This guy right here goes right on the end of the J1772. When you put those on there, make sure they are on there and locked, because this one that I'm holding in my hand right now didn't get put on properly and the contacts burnt and it got a little stinky. So this now will allow the J1772, there's a difference, to plug into any charger that the owner happens to roll up on. Problem solved. Make sure you plug this thing in. And the way you know that is that if it is that hard to come off the connector, you know you've got it on there already.